When I need a break, I move my anger into soft hills, burst rocks into pieces, follow the red path, then look back, see my sharp claws in mud. I'm not surprised. Let my anger flow under soil while I follow the red path. There's no difference between me and the earth shaking. I roar into the land. The bold hills feed on it. The crowned waters can take it. Carry my anger through a black labyrinth. I place my paws into the river, peel myself out of fur, dried on a fallen oak trunk. The water flow around my bare ankles.